5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 150. Right 2 into left 2. Into right 3. Into left 2 long, crest. Right 1 long, tightens. Into left 2 half long. And left 5 long, 170 over crest. Keep left over crest. Into open hairpin right. Into left 2 long. Into right 660. Right 6 long, crest. Left 6, into right 3 long, crest, hairpin left. Into right 5. Into left 1 long, tightens. Into right 1 half long. Into left 3 long, 100. Hairpin right. Left 5, into right 4 long, into left 2 long, into right 2 long, left 3 crest, and open hairpin left, into right 3 long, into left 3 long, don't cut, into hairpin right, and right 3 long, don't cut over crest. Into left 4, 60. Left 4. Into right 6, 60. Right 5 long, jump maybe, 130. Hairpin right, opens. And left 4 continues at 100. Right 4 over jump, don't cut, 40 narrows. Left 6 over crest. And left 2 opens over crest, 150. Right 6 continues 100. Into hairpin left. 60. Left 6. And right 6 over crest, 40. Caution crest, left 6. Immediate hairpin right. .150 over crest. Right 6 over crest. Left 5 long. And right 6 long into open hairpin right. Ice patches from here. Left 5 continues for 100. Into right 5. Into left 6. Into right 4 long, don't cut. Into care, left 1 long, narrow on exit. Into right 6 half long, 150 through dip.